As you can notice, there are quite a few species up there. I'm not going to be able to stop for every single one of them, but I will make a couple quick. Now I also noticed up by this watering hole there is a very large black rhino walking around. You're going to get a great weigh about 3,000 pounds. It has a pointed upper lip called a prehensile lip because it's really good at grabbing things like its food. Now notice that gorgeous horn on top of its head. That is made out of keratin. That is the same stuff that your hair and fingernails are made. It's going to be hiding underneath the water. It looks like it might have a friend as well. It's going to be up here on the right by these two cut off trees sticking out of the water.
You see the hippo?
Now, underneath the water, it's going to be hiding a very large body, up to 5,500 pounds. Oh, and there's a whole bloat of hippos on our left here. Great view. That is the name for a group, a bloat. Now, notice they are hanging out in the water. They have a very thin outer layer of skin called the epidural layer. They need to keep it nice and hydrated, so they do stay in the water most of the day. Now their average length is going to be about 16 feet, but they can be up to 20 feet long. That is about as long as a giraffe is tall. Now notice some of them are hanging out with their mouths open. That is actually going to be a way to regulate their body temperature. Crocodiles are cold-blooded creatures and they cannot sweat. So to regulate that body heat, they're going to go all over the savanna, which is where we're about to head on into. They get the nickname the upside down on the entire reserve. This is the savanna. These grasslands are going to stretch on for thousands of miles, hiding all sorts of amazing species. I can already see quite a few of them we see. In front of that giraffe, you can see some Ankole cattle. Now, they're amazing. Look at the size of those horns. They're the only domesticated animals out here on the reserve. They were first domesticated by the Wet'suwet'en. Now, those horns are going to be about 4 feet long and up to 20 inches around at the base.